Hi, I'm Stacy with Worship Guitar Resources, and today I'm going to make a case for Gretsch being the best guitar for worship. My goal with this channel is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified next time I post a video. Gretsch Guitars has made its mark in rock and roll history, rockabilly, country, jazz, fusion, alternative, indie, pop, you name it, it covers just about every genre. I think except for metal. The Filtertron pickups, the vibe, and the set neck make this an absolute tone monster. And when you add a Bigsby to it, you multiply that vibe exponentially. I have one Gretsch. It's this one. It's a 5422 made in 2016. It's the thinner of the body styles. It's a double cutaway with blacktop Filtertron pickups, independent volume control for the neck and the bridge, master tone, and then a master volume, and then just the standard three-way switch. One of the great things about Gretsch guitars is that sparkly high end you get from both pickups in all three positions. The bridge pickup is tight yet clear, and it's perfect for rhythm, it's perfect for leads. It sounds great no matter what you're doing. Here's how it sounds clean. And overdriven. My first hack for your Gretsch guitar is to roll your master volume back. I was following Gretsch guitars a while back on Instagram, and they were doing a signature guitar, and the artist wanted to be able to roll the volume back to get kind of more of a humbucker quality tone out of his Gretsch. And so I tried that on these pickups, and it sounded great. It did exactly what he described he was looking for. So here it is at full volume. You can hear it got a little bit darker. It kind of lost some of that sparkly high end, but sometimes that's what you're looking for. Just something a little bit different that you don't have to swap guitars to get. The middle position on a Filtertron is somewhere between a Telecaster and a Les Paul, but it's a lot more glassy and it smooths out overdrive more than both. I like to use the middle position when I'm going from a big moment, either on the neck pickup or the bridge, and there's a breakdown in the song, but I still have parts to play. That middle position is nice and full, but it's still soft for those moments. It could be something like this. My second hack for the Gretsch guitar is to roll back one of the volumes, and you'll get an enhanced tone from the one that's at 10. So for this one, we'll roll the volume back on the neck, and you're going to get a slightly darker, slightly fuller bridge pickup. And I feel like doing this either way gets you a little bit of a more useful tone than rolling the tone back. So here it is, middle position, everything's at 10. And you can also do it by rolling the volume back on the bridge and kind of getting a different voice out of the neck pickup. It's a subtle change, but it just gives you another voice you can use without having to swap guitars. The neck pickup on a Gretsch is nice and full, still has that sparkly high end, but it's got a great vocal quality to it. I love using the neck pickup on double stops, on chords, on lead lines, and kind of rock, and on Americana type lines like this. And here it is clean. Gretsch guitars is an easy choice for that praise and worship tone. Let me know your thoughts on Gretsch, and if you disagree with my claim, let me know in the comments below what's your favorite guitar for worship. Also, there's a handful of downloads you can get in the description box below. If you haven't yet, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.